Alright, so today we are going to install a brand new IQ Panel 2, 2 doors, a motion, a key fob, a lamp module, and an indoor camera. We're going to show you how long that takes in real time, so let's get started. Alright, so from an installation perspective, we're actually done. No more screwdrivers to turn, nothing else to do. Everything's programmed, working, ready to go. At this point, we would teach the customer how to use it, get them logged into their app, and answer any questions they might have, and make sure they feel comfortable with the system. So that's it for today's install, and I hope you enjoyed it.